the must-have skincare for summer. Must. It's a must. Do not step out of your house without that skincare in the hot sun. Take care of your skin. And I'm talking about SPF. SPF, the two best SPFs that I have is Black Girl Sunscreen, Make It Matte Sunscreen Gel for the Face, SPF 45. It's broad spectrum. It's ultra sheer, fragrance free, water resistance for 80 minutes. Black Girl Sunscreen. It is a gel. I have oily skin, so this works very, very good. Next, my tried and true, forever been using this is the CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion with Sunscreen for normal to oily skin, SPF 30. It is a broad spectrum. And the Black Girl Sunscreen is 1.7 fluid ounces. And the CeraVe is 1.7 fluid ounces. I purchased both of them from Ulta. I am going to put both on. One side of my face will be Black Girl Sunscreen, and on the other side of my face will be CeraVe. This is my backup, so now I have to open it. It looks like this. It has a cover you pull, and it has a pump. CeraVe, I've been using it for a very, very long time, and it is a matte finish. So on my right, I'm going to put the CeraVe. When I tell you no cast, no cast. The other CeraVe lotion have a white cast. I used to use that. A pump. I maybe pump more than I need now, but it's a pump. This is it right here. I'm going to put it on my right, so you can see. When I say no cast, I mean no cast. I guess I didn't pump enough more. I need more. Going in the hot sun. Half of my face will be the CeraVe. I put very little on the top of my eye because CeraVe tends to burn me if it gets in my eyes. So after I've rubbed everywhere on my face, I just used what's left on my fingers and go above my eyes. So now this is the CeraVe side. This side has none. You see how my skin looks? Nothing is there. Clean, wash face. Nothing. No moisturizer, no toner, nothing. This is my face. So this is no sunscreen moisturizer on. And this is with the CeraVe moisturizer on. You see the difference? No white cast. Now, Black Girl Sunscreen. Remember, it's a gel. So I use my right hand to do my right side. I'm going to use my left hand to do my left side. I don't want to mix them up. I always shake because it's a gel, so I shake it. Now, and I shake it because I've noticed the first time when you squeeze, it's just, and it's in a tube. It's a little watery. That's why I shake it. But here we go. I maybe took, hopefully I didn't take too much, but it's a gel. You don't even know you have anything on because it is clear. And I do put under my eyes. This have not burned my eyes at all. So I use them back and forth. I'll switch under my neck So one side I have CeraVe, and what's left again on my hand, I just go above my eye. You can remember it is hot and we want to protect our skin from sun. We don't want to age. We don't want to burn. UVB is burn, UVA is age. So broad spectrum covers all of that. And this is what the gel side, which is the Black Girl Sunscreen SPF 45 look like. Take a look. You saw what my skin looked like before. This is Black Girl Sunscreen Gel. This is CeraVe SPF 30. One gel, one lotion. You can't tell I have sunscreen on, but my skin is protected from UVA, which is aging, and UVB, which is burning. Again, Black Girl Sunscreen Gel on my left side, CeraVe SPF 30 is on my right. It's a lotion. Either one you use, just use sunscreen. But these are the two top best ones with no white cast. This is what my face looked like in the car. I just came out from the store. I wanted to see what my face looked like. CeraVe side and Black Girl Sunscreen side. Hopefully you can see what it looks like. When I get home, I will show you again. But this is what I am looking like, and my skin feels good. Now I'll put the AC on. This is what my face is looking like after I've run errands. It's been, 2 hours. And I have Black Girl Magic Gel SPF 45 on my left side. And I have CeraVe SPF 30 on my right side. No white cast. One lotion, one gel. Two different ones. I just wanted to put it on so you can see what it looks like. Coming closer. Not greasy at all. Not greasy. CeraVe. My right. It's a lotion. Black Girl Magic. My left. It's a gel. Thank you for watching. Remember to protect your skin. Always remember to protect your skin with SPF. Whether it's hot, blazing sun or it is cool. Always remember that the sun is shining even though you don't feel it or see it. So SPF is very, very important. UVB is burning. When you're in the sun and you start feeling your skin burning, you need to get out. You are in the sun too long. UVA is aging. Too much sun exposure without SPF will age you. I appreciate you watching. Please remember to share this video. And as always, until I see you and you see me, take good care of your skin because it is the largest part of your entire body. Take care of it. If you take care of it, it will last you a lifetime. Bye.